a scene from the 30th floor. What you're seeing right now is Manila North Harbor, South Harbor, bahagi na ng Tondo po yan. So yung mga nakikita nyo na ito, ng mga buildings na yan na matataas, that's also part of Tondo na rin. Intramuros actually yung nasa baba ang konti. And then you have there yung merong Belfry, the Manila City Hall, and yung mga National Museum of Natural History, National Museum of itong may UFO sa taas ay National Museum of Anthropology or Natural Sciences, whatever. Tapos gagalaw lang tayo ng konti. Ito po ay bahagi na ng yan yung nakikita nyo, daanan ng tren. Bahagi na rin po yan ng Manila. Actually, itong location natin ay nasa Ermita. No? Tapos, just a little bit to the right, yung mga punta natin, mas malapit dun sa kabila. Itong papakita ko sa inyo na skyline, this is already part of Malate. No? Malate. Katabi lang kasi itong mga barangay ng Ermita, yung district ng Ermita at saka yung Malate. So yan. Actually yan yung skyline na dati ko na i-post, no? Malate Manila skyline at night. So ito, yan, makita nyo, part na ito ng Manila Bay. And in fact, just a few blocks from here, kung lalakarin natin, you'll see the Dolomite Beach. Pero, hindi mo makita dito kasi mataas to eh. Nasa 30th floor tayo. So, now it's raining. Not too strong. Drizzling na lang actually. I always pray to God na kung uulan sa Manila, sana hindi na ganun kalakas kasi baka magbaha naman at marami namang mamatay. So what you can see, yung long view po nito, kung may makikita kayong bundok dyan, I think that's already part of Mount Makiling. Pero this view here ay going towards Makati, QC, pero malayo na yung QC. Alam mo naman, sa mga laking probinsya na katulad ko, iba po talaga mamuhay dito sa Manila. Actually, parang hindi pa nasasana yung immune system ko talaga dito. I still feel off pag lumabas ako ng matagal. Pero anyway, I just wanna enjoy my stay here. Oh, this is it, part of our building. Yan. Hindi ko alam what purpose this tower here serves. Pero I'm at the penthouse dito sa 30th floor. Yan lang muna i-share ko sa inyo. Good morning.